This is it. You're looking at a kids channel that's absolutely crushing it. Millions of views rolling in every single day. And when you check out their social blade stats, you'll see they're pulling in anywhere from 24 to a jaw-dropping $400,000 a month. Want a piece of that action? Guess what? You're in serious luck because, hey there, how's it going? In this video, I'm about to show you how you can build your very own kids channel with almost no effort and start making videos like these. Normally, creating kids animation videos takes hours of hard work, but guess what? I've discovered a game-changing hack that lets you whip them up in seconds. Are you ready for this? Buckle up, because we're diving in right now. Let's go. First of all, go ahead and open the App Store or Play Store on your device. Now we are going to look for an app that will appeal to toddlers and kids. So search, for example, for kids or for toddlers. Now you can choose any game that looks great, has good reviews, and is, for example, a learning game. Learning games tend to do very good, so let's pick this numbers learning game. This is a perfect learning game for toddlers, and for us this is also great because it has no ads in them. Okay, after the app has been downloaded, let's open it. And I immediately recommend to start and record your screen. If you haven't got the screen recorder standard on your device, then go ahead, pause the video, and download a screen recorder. Okay, now it's really simple. Simply record the screen while you are playing the game. Be sure to do it slow-paced and also make some errors. This way it feels interactive and engaging. Here is a speed run.
1. Put 1 fire into 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1. Good job.
Once you are done, stop the screen recording. Now either use CapCut on your phone or transfer the screen recordings to your PC and edit it in the PC version of CapCut like I am doing. Simply cut out the parts you do not like of the video, like the start and end. Also, you could opt to change the colors a bit and make them a bit more popping. Just go to Adjustment and do some color corrections. And yes, I am using amazing LUTs here. Just Google for CapCut LUTs and you will find them for free. They are very convenient to have. Okay, great. Now you could leave it like it is, but I am going to show you something else. While you could leave the background music like it is and hope that it is copyright-free, you could also replace the music. For example, you could get some copyright-free music from the YouTube audio library. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate your own copyright-free music with AI. We are going to use the AI tool called Muber. So let's go to the website and sign up. I will sign up here with my Google account. It is nice and easy. Now next we are going to generate the music for our children's animation video. We have the option to choose a genre, moods or activities, but I will use the text prompt right here. Something like, upbeat kids song will do great. Now you can even change the duration of your song, and you could change the type of audio. I will leave it at track, and now click on generate track. While our song is being generated, let's check out their pricing. They have the Creator plan, which is $14 a month. They have the Pro plan, which is $39 a month. And there is the Business plan, which is almost $200 a month. I really like the Pro plan, because it also gives you the commercial license to use it everywhere, like on YouTube. Okay, now our track should be ready. Go to My Generated Tracks to listen to the result. Okay, wow, that sounds great. Let's click on the download button and go to My Downloads. Here our track is being prepared to be downloaded. This will take a few seconds. When we click on this document file, we can see the licensing rights and agreement of the audio track. Now click the download button to download it. Now here we have the option to connect our channel to the song. This way you avoid to get falsely copyright struck by Muber. And then click on Add to My Downloads to finally actually download it to your computer. Before we are going to create thumbnail, the kids' YouTube channel and upload the video, let's talk about the benefits of having a kids' channel. Repetitive watching habits. Children often watch their favorite learning videos multiple times. This behavior can significantly boost your channel's watch time, engagement metrics, and video performance, leading to better monetization opportunities and higher rankings in YouTube's algorithm. Loyal audience base. Kids tend to form strong attachments to specific content and characters, meaning if your videos resonate, they could build a dedicated repeat audience that returns regularly to consume your content. Kids content is in high demand. Educational and entertaining content for children is one of the most consumed categories on YouTube. The consistent need for fresh and engaging content means your channel has the potential to grow rapidly if you hit the right notes. Viral potential. Kids' videos, especially those featuring popular themes, songs, or characters, have a high likelihood of going viral. This can lead to massive subscriber increases and widespread recognition in a short period. Alright, now let's get back. After you've finished and exported the video, it is time for the thumbnail. But wait first, let's make a screenshot of the elephant. It will be perfect for our thumbnail. To make a screenshot on CapCut, go to the 3 lines on the top right of the video viewer and click on Export Still Frames. Choose your destination folder and then click Export. Now head over to Canva. It is free to use and they also have a 30-day free pro trial available. Go to the search bar and search for YouTube thumbnail. Now choose a blank file. Upload the screenshot. And remove the background if necessary. It's optional, but you can also go to Adjust and make the image look more appealing. Now go to Elements and add some numbers because our video is about numbers. Now for the background, choose a colourful or cartoonish looking image. This will do great. Now it is time to create the YouTube channel. I will use this channel as an example. Let's head over to ChatGPT to help us come up with a channel name idea. Great. Our channel will be called Curious Kids Club. So just go to the Customization tab and then to Basic Info and change the name and handle. Now for the branding, we need a profile picture and a channel banner. Let's create that in Canva. So search in the searcher for YouTube profile picture and start a blank page. Now I am simply going to copy and paste the elephant from the thumbnail we created earlier in here. So yeah, you can have 2 tabs open and copy and paste stuff from the one file to the other. It is really convenient. Now let's go to the Elements tab and add a background. A colourful background, amazing. Now save it. While we are here, let's open a new tab and create the YouTube channel banner. Search for the template and pick the blank page. Now simply copy and paste the items from the profile picture file in there. Now as a cherry on top of the cake, we'll also add the channel name there. So go to Text and add a heading. Voila! Let's upload both to our YouTube channel. And press Publish. Perfect. I won't save this because I would like to use this channel for educational purposes. As a bonus, I will now show you how you can create other kind of kids animation videos in literally seconds. So let's go back to the App Store or Play Store again. Now search for a new kids app that would work. I will pick this one right here. Baby games for 3, 4, 5-year-olds. Now jump into it, don't forget to screen record, and then play the game. When you are done, simply edit it in CapCut, and you are done. If needed, just add some AI-generated music, and that's it. Here is a short preview of the end result. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own successful kids channel in a matter of seconds. Good luck and go viral. Have a lot of fun and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.